Okay, it is bright and early on Sunday morning. I'm actually taking my car right now and we are going to be changing out my door handles. So as you can see, I went for the matte black look, but on here, the original company just wrapped these and they just wrapped just in here and everything. So like all this bottom panel is all still, here, you can kind of see that. All that bottom panel is still chrome and the inside is all still chrome. So today we will be removing every single door handle, and I have another set that has been painted matte black that will be put on the car in place of these. So no longer will anything be wrapped. I actually believe that's the last mod that I'm doing to the car. So that'll be kind of nice to get it all said and done, not have to keep running around. But I'm actually going to help, and hopefully I can film some of this. Yeah, anyway, I'm off to go do that, so I will catch you guys later. Navigate to Colorado Detail. Okay, we're pulling up now to change out my door handles. Pretty excited and nervous. Kind of tearing apart a very expensive car. Okay, let's pull in and do this.
So usually on these injection parts, they'll say, so you can say this is the right rear down there.
Oh yeah.
But a lot of the manufacturers will put what they're made out of. I don't see.
So what is it, like a fiberglass?
So it's a short fiber.
Okay.
Short fiber mean anywhere between a millimeter to 10 millimeters.
Oh.
Long fiber would be 10 to 20 millimeters. So that would be long.
That's still pretty small.
What they do is they usually no more than 30%, which I would imagine this is in that range. I see the number down here for it, but I don't see.
Is that like their internal part number or something?
That's the part number for Tesla, but usually they'll say what product they use. And
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
so the first thing,
There you go. That's good enough.
that's soapy water. We're gonna clay it. Make sure we get off all the bugs. Anything else that might be on there? Make sure it's crystal clear. And we're going to put soap in the middle and alcohol in the ends to tack it.
So what does the soap in the middle do?
Allows it to move.
Oh, okay.
So the alcohol dries it out. See how it's sticking?
Yeah.
So I'll get it lined up here. Then I'm going to stretch it a little. So you see the fingers. Bring it down to line it.
This is a trick just to kind of keep it wet, so it's.
Yeah, so I can move my squeegee on.
Yeah.
Been watching a 2011 M3 on Enthusiast Auto Group.
Yeah? You want yours back, don't you?
I want it to go bad. Thing's blue with silver or gray and black interior. 7,500 miles.
There you go.
Sweet. Wow, that was quick and easy. Okay, just now leaving Colorado Detail and everything is done on the car. So door handles, they're all changed out. Everything's painted. I think I'm done making mods to my Tesla. Hopefully you guys were able to see some of the innards of the door. I know a couple people said they were interested in that. I didn't want to film everything because I mean they do know how to take it apart, and I don't want people prying off their doors thinking they can do it, because it's really not as easy as it may seem. But at least you can kind of see the innards, how some pieces work, how the windows operate. I think that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and drive home, get some food. It's almost lunchtime, and maybe go for a quick drive. I will talk to y'all later. Alright, just got home from getting my handles done. Thought I would show you guys the finished product. So here you can see still matte black on the front, but now all the insides are matte black. All the bottom is matte black. Everything is matte black. And they look awesome. So as you can see here, the entire interior is now all black. Everything was professionally painted and put back on, assembled. Everything works great, looks great. Very happy with the work. I think that's actually it though. I don't think I have any other modifications to make. Did all the chrome delete, new rims, a spoiler, the Nano Fusion clear bra, the OptiCoat on the interior, the glass and the exterior, the dash cams, the tint. I think I'm basically done. It feels great. I'm just really excited to be able to have everything looking like it should, which is nice. I was not happy with that wrap at all. So it's really nice to have that done. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'll talk to y'all later. I love those lights. Those daytime runners look awesome.